Hi everyone! In today's easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Midjourney weighted prompts. Welcome to the channel, let's dive into it. So I'm going to start with a simple prompt with multiple objects as a benchmark, and then I'm going to show you how to allocate weight. So let's start with our /imagine command, and I'm going to write down my prompt here. And here's our prompt with multiple objects. And finally, I'm going to hit space once and type down --v and hit space once again and type down 4. So let's hit enter to generate our benchmark image. And here's our benchmark image. And right now I'm going to copy this prompt and paste it into here. And in order to allocate the weight between the objects, you need to use double column and assign a number between 0 and 5, and you can use decimals. And 0 means that you don't want that object in your future generation, and 5 means that you want more of it, and by default it's 2.5. So let me show you a quick example here. So let's say we don't want a cab. So I'm going to write down column and 0. Remember, 0 means none. So let's say we don't want sunset as well. So I'm going to write down column 0. And let's say we want this image focused on people. So I'm going to write down column 5 here. And let's say we need a little bit more of skyscrapers, so I'm going to write down column and 3, and let's hit enter to see what it's going to be look like. And here's our weight allocated image, and I'm going to show them side by side. So as you can see here, our main subject of focus is a person, and there are no sunset or a yellow cab, and skyscrapers take more space than usual. And that's basically how to use weighted prompts in Midjourney. If you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe buttons to help others to find this video as well. Thank you for watching.